Ever wanted to turn off your lights without having the hassle to go all the way to its switch, or turning your PC on without taking a step out of your comfort zone? I have, ever since everything has got so smart. It is impossible not to notice how not so smart our switches are. For some, it might just be a wish to control all our lights and devices from our phones, but for others, as people with disabilities, it is a required thing to have an independent life. It is not like there aren't solutions available. Like you can change all your existing everyday devices from bulbs to ACs to new and smart ones, which might cost 50 times more than normal devices. Such moves do cost thousands of dollars to implement. Or you can use our setup that changes all your dumb devices into smart ones.
In this project, we are using ESP32 Wi-Fi module to control appliances through Wi-Fi. All the appliances connected with a solid-state relay. Relay is directly control all the appliances. In this project, we use 6 lights for the testing purpose. By using smartphone Blink application, we directly control our home appliances within a click. A cheaper home automation systems in order to control the home appliances remotely by an internet connection. Our purpose a flexible, portable, and low-cost home automation system that will manage to control the light, fan, fridge, security lighting system, music systems, locks for the door, etc. These home automation systems that can be controlled remotely. Usually, this project is useful for disabled people who cannot perform their household tasks. They can control the appliances using this home automation system within one click. We can save and control energy. This will also reduce energy consumption and improve economic growth.